Welcome to the world of LEXFORKLIFT. With more than 22 years of experience in providing forklifts, material handling equipment, and a consistent business motto, long-term support with sincerity for customers, Lex has become a trusted partner of many businesses and warehouses. Systematic investment in developing staff, service workshop, warehouses in terms of goods quantity, availability of new and used trucks and equipment, spare parts, diverse functions has given Lex significant advantages to meet most of the customer's needs, new or used trucks, for dry or cold storage. 2 shifts or 3 shifts operation in the shortest time. Since the beginning of 2020, Lex has launched high-quality, large-capacity, high-density lithium batteries in the Vietnamese market under the registered brand LEXFORKLIFT. This product line has so far received great acceptance and trust from customers in many different industries. They are contributing to helping our partners achieve the goal of sustainable development and a green economy. With LEXFORKLIFT lithium iron phosphate batteries, your forklift's operating time is extended, your warehouse is cleaner, safer and better for the health of warehouse operators compared to other traditional batteries. A big step forward that Lex gained in 2023 was partnership and dealership. We got to be official dealer of GEM Heinrich, Top 3 and Clark Forklift, Top 10 lift truck brands in the world. We have supported more and more partners and customers to experience higher quality trucks and warehouse equipment to improve warehouse performance and safety. With the total solutions provided by Lex, many warehouses have become more beautiful and professional, facilitating the development of businesses. The long-term, honest, and close support of the Lex team makes customers feel more secure in doing their business. Lex team currently has 100 members, mainly working at the main office in Hanoi. The Nhuang province was chosen as the location for our southern hub with 10 current employees. For any further details and inquiries, please do contact our sales team members or any number in our hotline system. Your succeed is our great succeed.